Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video I will show you how to create a shop on your Facebook page step by step. Whether you're a small business owner or just want to showcase your products, this guide will help you get started. So let's dive in. Alright, so the first step you have to take, guys, is of course log into your Facebook account. Alright, and then you need to create a Facebook page, or if you have a Facebook page, you just have to switch to your Facebook page. So you can do that by clicking on this drop down at the top right corner, and then you find your Facebook page right here. Click on it to switch to the page. Alright, so once you switch to your Facebook page, next thing you want to do is to click on your Facebook page name right here at the top left corner. After that, you're going to find these Meta Business Suite right here. Click on it, and then you have to wait for it to load. Alright, so after that, just come over here, click on all tools, and then you find all these options right here. Next thing you just want to do is to scroll down. Sorry, let me do that again. Next thing you just want to do is to scroll down, and you'll find this sell products and services section. Just below it you find this commerce option. Click on that, and then the next thing we just have to do from here is to come over here and click on this add account button. Once you do that, you can now get started. Right, so first you need to connect your third-party platform, select your country, choose checkout method, choose sales channel, and then preview. Alright, so as you can see right here, it says start selling on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so just go ahead and click on next, and then if you want to use any of these third-party platform, you can select it, but if you don't want to, you can just select this one that says I don't use these platforms. Right, and then just click on next, and then the next thing you want to do is to select your country and proceed with these other steps. Right, so right now these shops is not available in Nigeria, so I can't proceed to this next step. But in your case, if this is available in your country, just go ahead and proceed with these other ones. Right, so that's it on how you can actually create a shop on Facebook page. So once you're able to complete these steps successfully, you have your shop on your Facebook page. So that's it, guys. Hope this guide was helpful, and you now know the steps to take to create a shop on your Facebook page. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.